Hi, Sandy McTeer here with another Craft Minute by DecoArt. DecoArt's matte medium can act like a resist. I love to put mine through a stencil. You can see the design here. Using a stencil brush, some matte medium, swirl it around, wipe it off, swirl on your design, let it completely dry, and then apply paint. The matte medium will resist where the paint goes. And what you're left with when you wipe it away is a cool effect. Wipe away that paint. If you want to wipe a little bit more away, you can use a baby wipe. So you can create cool designs and backgrounds on surfaces using matte medium as a relief to be painted over.